Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll talk about Stream API in Java. This is one of the major and new feature and important feature in Java 8. That is stream functionality. It is available in java.util.stream, which is the central API class. Stream is the central API class, right? If you want to see that stream central API class, I will show you during hands-on example. No worry about that, right? The introduction of this Java 8 stream API is used to process the connection of object. What do you mean by stream? It is a sequence. A stream is a sequence of objects that supports various methods, which can be pipelined to produce the desired result. You know this? The stream actually a data structure? No, it is not actually a data structure. Instead, it takes the input from the connections, arrays of IO channels. Another way you can say simply stream API is a new way to process collection of objects, okay, from the methods available in java.util package. It offers several benefits and is widely used for various reasons. For example, like declarative programming, functional programming, parallelism, lazy evaluation, integration with lambda expressions, support for bulk operations, etc. etc. Okay, that we'll talk about in the next coming videos. Okay, don't worry about that. If you have already watched many tutorials and if you are not clear, why, how exactly the stream APIs are working, okay, no worry. From this video onwards, I will help you to understand the stream APIs step by step. Make sure you will get benefited from these videos. Okay, overall point, I can simply say that the stream API in Java simplifies and has the way you work with collections, offering benefits such as improved readability, better performance, and support for functional programming. Okay, first see that we in this video we just talk about only the need of stream API prior to Java 8%, how we are writing the code, how we are doing performing operations, right? We'll see if using stream how we can do the same logic. Okay. Now let's start. Go with the traditional method. In traditional method, we already have one class, demi class without anything. Now, first class simply starts with integers. Okay, some numbers. Let's talk about array of list of integers. Okay. For this package, list and array list. Now, what we do first, we will take 10 elements. Okay, which means I will loop this 10 times. Then you will have the numbers instead of filling it this manually. Using for loop, I'm filling this array list. Now what we do, filter even numbers. Means say from 1 to 10, we have to filter the even numbers. So for that, you already know there is a formula, right? A n divided by means something number, some number divided by 2 equals to 0 means that is an even number. So this is the mathematical formula. Okay. Now apply the same mathematical formula here. Next, okay, filter even numbers. So this for node are the number from 1 to 10, and this for node filter only even numbers. Okay. Then what is the next class we can do? We double the even number, right? This one. Now, from this even numbers, now we got say even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to double that 2 to 2, 4. Okay. Now, if it is even number 2, 4 to 2, 4. So, we'll double that. Now, what we do, we will take the sum of all these numbers. Now, if you look at this one, how lengthy is this logic, right? Finally, what you do? We have to print the double even numbers. What we are doing at first, we are taking the numbers from 1 to 10, and then we are filtering the even numbers and doubling the even number, and then taking the sum of all double numbers. To look at this, run this and proceed of this. It is a 60. How come the 60 comes here? Right? Here, it's a even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Here the number comes here, even numbers 2 into 2, 4, and the next number 4 to 2, 8, right? So it keep on adding now. So if you look at this now, how it works here. The first number, even number is 2, right? 2 2s 4. Next even number is 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Next even number is 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Next number even number is 8. 8 to 16. Okay. Next even number is 10. 10 to the 20. So finally we'll get 60. So this is the sum of double numbers. So in traditional way, we have to write this many lines of code. Okay. This is very lengthy and it took a lot of developer effort. And also it is cumbersome, right? The code also it's not clear. It makes very complicated. Using stream, we convert this into fewer lines. What we do? We convert this into only fewer lines and make our programming logic. Also, it saves our developers time. So how it is going to do? Let's create a new class, stream example. Right? Now the same logic we convert using stream APIs. Right? What we do now? First take the same numbers. What we do now this time I'm not going to talk about this. What is a stream will help me to take the numbers range from 1 to 10. How it works then? In sum equals to what I'm trying to do here. First I have to take the input string. Sorry, int string. I have to take int string. Int string dot what I'm trying to first I have to take the range closed. Range closed what it says start inclusion and inclusion means returns a sequential order in int string from start inclusion to end inclusion. It's depend. It is like we have to give the range from where the range has to start and where the range has to end. Okay. Now I will start from 1 to 10. Means we go with only 10 numbers. Okay. 1 to 10. As like earlier, you see that here I am taking 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. This 3 lines I will test 1 line. Okay. No worry about that. Range closed. Okay. This is actually not to stop. Okay. This should not be terminated. Now, what I have to do in the next project, what I'm doing, I'm filtering the even numbers. In stream, we have a method called filter. Okay, this is called a predicate that we'll talk about this. Okay, functional interfaces predicate methods. Okay, in the next couple videos, what is filter and what is map source? So we have many methods available in the stream. Okay, if you are not clear, if you are not known about these methods, okay, no worry, I will cover this in the upcoming videos. Okay, now our concept is that how to filter even numbers. What we say n divided by 2 equals to 0. Now we are done with the second logic. Now what is the next thing? Next thing is what? Once we have double this, like this, sorry, once we filter this, we have to double the even numbers. So for that, we already know the same formula. So for that, there is a method called map, which returns a stream consists of the result applying the given function. So this map transforms the elements. So what we do next? Using lambda expression here into 2. Now I'm done this doubling also. What is the next thing? Our last is sum of all double numbers. How you do that? Sum of double numbers. We have a method, 3 different method of a double sum. That's it. You see the difference of this? How many lines of code is here? And how many for loops are here? And how complicated this one? And how lengthy is this programming? And if you look at this string, right? Just make it simple, right? We are taking the int string of range from 1 to 10, and I'm filtering here. What is not filtering? It's the even number or odd number. You can go as your wish, your logic. Okay, I'm filtering that one from that outcome of this result, and then I'm transforming this elements. Means transforming means here again. Here, this map will help you to store the elements, right? To store the results in this. Okay. This we'll talk about more in detail in the next videos. Okay. Don't worry about this one. This map stores all these double numbers. Finally, what to do? It take the sum of all these numbers from here and give the output to you. Okay, then what is our next thing is just please print this sum. Just go here. What is the expected result? 60. You could see 60 is the output. So this is how the Stream API will help you, right? You write program easily, and it eliminates the number of lines of code, and also it helps the developer to save his effort. But one thing, always remember, you have to understand the need of stream, the methods available in the stream. When to use that method? What is the purpose of this method? How I can use this? Okay, then you will be super clear about this stream APIs. Okay, right now we'll stop this video over here and we'll discuss more about this on stream APIs. Step by step. How many methods are available in stream APIs? How to use that, and some real-time example. And also I will cover some interview-based questions. In interview, most of the interviewers ask the same questions. How you collect employee data, how you filter them, how you sort, how you work group, like that. Okay, no worry, I will cover all those things. As said, right now we'll stop here. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.